Hey guys, what is going on? I got something special for you here today. So, if you guys haven't heard about Vintage Tin Customs, you need to check him out. Mark with Vintage Tin Customs on YouTube. Great guy. Builds a lot of cool stuff. Real good friend of mine. A lot of times you'll see him in some of my videos, or sometimes you'll see me in some of their videos. So with that said, we're on our way back to Vintage Tin Customs right now in St. Thomas, Pennsylvania. So a little bit about Mark. Mark likes to go over the top. Mark is retired military. He's got a shop, full-time shop. He builds custom vehicles, and I'm talking about over the top. Right now, he's building a, I'm going to call it a Divco. I want to say 57, but I could be wrong on it. But it's an old milk truck, and he's completely revamped the whole chassis on this thing. It's just an amazing piece. So when we get there, I want you guys to see this. We got some upcoming events. Mark, I'm sure he'll tell us about it, but just hang tight, and we're going to show you some cool stuff. And if you guys have any questions, comments, and concerns, we'd love to hear it. So until then, hang tight. All right, guys. So we're coming up here to Vintage Tin Customs in St. Thomas, Pennsylvania. This is the shop here. And as far as I know, if you want to stop by the shop, Mark has made it possible for everybody to stop by. Just reach out to him. I'll tell you what, matter of fact, maybe I should have cleaned my truck off a little bit. Here's a sign, his contact information. So, if anything, shoot him a text or give him a call and see if he's available. Yeah, I should have cleaned my truck off. But anyhow, he does have an open door policy, but, you know, out of courtesy, give him a call and let him know you're coming. So, hang tight. We're going to walk in the shop and we're going to see what's going on in Mark's world. All right, guys. All righty. Some of the cool cars here at Vintage Tin. I'm sure this is going to be a new project. Looks like he just got this one in. Utility truck. I don't know, late 70s Ford F-250. An old Merc. I think that is one to come out of Canada. Video, guys, you got to see that video with Carl. I think Carl Fisher from Making It Customs. All right, let's see what Mark's up to here today. Absolutely. What's going on, Mark?
My man, what's up?
Hey. What are we doing here today?
You brought company, huh?
I did. So I was telling them that you were working on a Divco, and I said 57. Am I correct on that? 57.
I think. I haven't read the VIN numbers on it completely, but we're just going to go with 57 because, well, it looks like a 57.
Yeah, heck yeah. So what's the plan with this, Mark?
Well, the end plan is to get this outside of SEMA. That's the end plan.
Ooh, okay.
We'll see how that goes.
Okay.
The current plan is getting this chassis all cleaned up, painted. Hopefully start painting it tonight and get it under there. Because, well, you know.
So you pulled, this is the chassis from under the Divco?
Yeah, it's the stock chassis. Well, it's flipped over right now because, well, I'm not a big fan of welding upside down. It gets all over my face. So we just flip the frame over, and it's a little bit easier.
Heck yeah. Work smarter, not harder.
Bird poops and make her look pretty.
So tell us a little bit about the chassis. What are you doing here? Well, I see this monstrous rear end here, rear differential.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
So it's a GM14 bolt. Took 12 inches out of it. So we took 6 out of each side. And, well, just to get true duals on there. I ain't going to run any type of special wheel or anything like that, any type of offsets. These are true dual semis, and I wanted to run it, so that's what I did.
Looks like you're running 4-link suspension.
Yep, so 4-link upper bars will go here. I got some rear, the bags are going to have to mount in the rear on the back there, so there's some...
Uh-oh, you're a busy man.
Getting some phone calls.
Okay.
So lower bag mounts there. Obviously the frame is flipped over, but if it was the other way, there's the upper bag mounts there. We actually took, I say we like there's like a whole crowd out here. There's really not. It's like Me, left hand and right hand, and that's about it.
Wait a minute, who's the CEO of this company?
Oh, she's inside.
She's inside, so you can find her on some of your previous videos that you have out. Where can they find you at, Mark?
Oh, Vintage Sin Customs, either Instagram or usually YouTube. Instagram's like if you want to.
Okay.
YouTube's if you just want to hang out, put your feet up and eat some popcorn while you enjoy a good time.
Heck yeah. Well, guys, here you go. We're back here at Vintage Tin Customs. This is some of the stuff that Mark gets into, customizing possibly a 57 Divco milk truck frame. He said it's going to be on air. Here's some of the front suspension. Just a little quick scan of the shop. I think that's an upcoming project there. 53 Chevy, am I correct on that?
Yeah.
Yeah. All righty, guys. So if you haven't checked out Vintage Tin Customs, check them out on YouTube and Instagram. And don't forget to hit that like button, the share button, and of course hit the notification bell, and you'll get to see all the cool things that Mark and the guys here at Vintage Tin Customs have got going on and what they're going to be doing. So until the next time, guys, thanks for tuning in, and we'll talk to you later.